You know, for any business, your physical space is so much more than just a building. It's a huge part of your entire operation. So today, we're going to dig into how to optimize those operations. We'll be breaking down the approach of one company, MKMaintX, to see what we can learn about top-notch facility management.
But first, let me ask you this. Just think about it for a second. What's the real cost when something goes wrong? When the AC breaks or there's a leak, it's never just the repair bill, is it? It's lost productivity, it's safety risks, and it can even hurt your company's reputation. This one question really gets to the heart of why managing your facility effectively is so important.
And that's because, let's be honest, managing a facility is a massive job. We're not just talking about four walls and a roof here. It's more like a living, breathing ecosystem. It needs constant care and attention to make sure it stays clean, fully functional, and of course, safe for everyone who steps inside. I mean, from the exact moment a client or even a new employee walks through your door, the condition of your space is sending a message. Keeping everything running smoothly in the background isn't just a chore, it's absolutely fundamental to your professional image and a huge driver of your overall efficiency.
Okay, so we've laid out the challenge. It's big, it's complex. Now the material we're looking at introduces a potential solution. They frame themselves as a single, nationwide partner that's built to handle all these complex needs under one roof.
And here's their pitch in a nutshell. MKMaintX is a partner that offers two things that really jump out: customized maintenance and eco-friendly cleaning. It's that laser focus on creating tailored solutions that's really all about making a business run better and more efficiently. All right, so now we get to dive into the specifics of how they actually deliver on that promise. They break their services down into what they call a complete toolkit for operational excellence.
And they keep it really simple, which I think is pretty smart. They've got two main pillars. On one side, you've got cleanliness and hygiene. You know, everything that makes a space look and feel professional and healthy. And on the other side, you've got safety and functionality, which is all about making sure everything actually works the way it's supposed to.
So let's dive into that first pillar, cleanliness. We're talking about everything from tailored janitorial services and expert floor care to those green cleaning programs we mentioned, plus efficient waste management. It's really the whole package for managing how your space presents itself day in and day out.
And just so we're all on the same page about what green cleaning really means here, it's all about using products and methods that are better for the planet. But it's not just some buzzword. It's about creating a space that's genuinely healthier for your employees and your customers. Now for that second pillar, safety and functionality. This is the stuff that literally keeps the lights on. It covers all the comprehensive building maintenance, the routine upkeep, and, maybe most importantly, those critical emergency repair services for when things go sideways unexpectedly.
Look, a list of services is one thing, but talk is cheap, right? The real test of any company is how they perform. So the source material tackles this head-on by letting their clients do the talking. These testimonials are meant to build the case for their reliability and their real-world impact.
This first one from Sarah Mitchell uses a really powerful word, transformed. That tells you the impact goes way beyond just a simple cleaning service. It suggests a fundamental upgrade to the entire workspace, all driven by their attention to detail. Next up, Ethan Caldwell highlights two words that are basically gold for any facility manager: professionalism and reliability. Just knowing you can count on your maintenance partner no matter what, that's absolutely essential. And this quote hits that nail on the head.
And finally, Brendan Knox points to their dedication to excellence and, here it is again, their personalized approach. This just drives home that idea of custom plans we saw earlier. It suggests it's not just marketing speak, it's something clients actually notice and value.
So after laying out the problem, their solution, and the proof from clients, the focus shifts to the next logical step. How does a potential client actually get started? They break it down into a really simple path.
And they really lean into this point about customization. The big message here is that this is not a one-size-fits-all deal. Instead, they work with every single client to build a plan that fits their unique needs and their specific schedule. That flexibility seems to be a huge part of their model.
In the process itself, it looks like it's designed to be as easy as possible. It's a super straightforward three-step journey. You get in touch, you work with them to develop that custom plan, and then they start delivering the service. They seem focused on removing any hassle or barriers to getting started.
This one says so much with so little. 24/7. Because we all know problems don't just happen during business hours. Offering emergency and after-hour service is a game changer for minimizing disruption to a business's operations. That's a huge selling point.
And that brings us full circle, all the way back to the beginning, with one final powerful question. It really makes you stop and think about the role your own facility is playing in your success. Is it an asset pushing you forward, or is it a liability holding you back? That's a critical question for any business owner to ask. Thanks for tuning in to this breakdown.